chose Ricoh because they had the experience with the software we were looking to implement. They had the staff support that we were looking for, and they were able to provide us an expertise, and they really took the time to understand what our needs were, what it was we were looking to accomplish, and the implementation we hadn't been done before, and that wasn't a problem for Ricoh. It was, we will find a solution to meet your need.
Having a partner that understands your vision, understands your strategic direction, is invested in it, wants to see you be successful, and so that's a critical component of choosing a team like Ricoh.
I would have no problem recommending Ricoh as a solution, and I haven't second-guessed any of the decisions we made.
I would certainly recommend Ricoh to others that were considering moving forward in automation. The product is awesome.